Why so serious? The Atlas 4.0 is guaranteed to put a smile on your face. The Atlas 4.0 is a new evolution of the Ruroc ATLAS lid, replacing the 3.0 and reaching the new ECE 22.6 certification. This helmet is quiet, cool, and is the world's first road-ready motorcycle helmet to feature RHEON technology. It is also compatible with the Shockwave Bluetooth audio system. Now the stuff you really want to know. DSI. Unsurprisingly, the designs are spectacular. As a massive nerd, strike-through Joker fan, it was love at first sight. Ruroc offers a design for everyone, from the sleek black core for those that want to stealth through the night to the neon video game-inspired outrun for those that think they're in Tron Legacy. Comfort. The shell has been simplified to reduce turbulence and enhance riding stability, which meant my head wasn't as battered about by the wind as it usually is. Long riding sessions usually ended with neckache and trying to scrounge a massage from the other half. Even though it doesn't feel heavy whilst on, I noticed the weight after carrying it for long periods of time. So this can be an issue if you're walking through an airport or walking to a dealer when your bike didn't start. The bespoke multi-layered and multi-density foam construction meant my head felt like it was being hugged. But it does mean you need to double check your size. I was a size large in this helmet, compared to my usually medium. Noisy. With noise dampening inserts around the ear, it is the quietest Atlas ever produced. Wearing it whilst riding electric, I decided to try riding without earplugs, a mistake I often make and usually resulting in listening to my ears ringing well into the night. Not now. I still wouldn't recommend forgoing your earplugs. Protect your hearing. This will offer some protection for those short journeys when you realize they're in your pockets. Vents. The Atlas 4.0 has open or closed vents throughout, including a new top vent switch that offers a maximum temperature control of 30%. Although I haven't had the opportunity to ride at the peak of summer yet, I found that my head stayed at a comfortable temperature, although a little piece of grit did work its way through the vents. Overview. Looks good, feels good, and will protect me in a crash. Ideal. Yes, we pick a lid that will save our lives if the worst should happen, but there is something insanely cool about riding around with a lid that turns heads. Car drivers noticed me more, and riders showed their appreciation whenever they saw it. I love this lid. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.